guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. I am going to try my LightLife and my Pure Burgers to see which one I like the best. I'm going to make a patty melt out of both of these to see which one tastes better. So I'm going to take a little piece of each one and taste it separately and make a little small patty to taste it without anything on it so I can see the difference in the taste. And the others I'm going to mix up and put some seasoning and stuff in it because I don't want it plain by itself. So if you're interested in my taste test, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay. I'm going to use the cheddar cheese. I'm going to put, mushrooms are not traditionally on a patty melt, but I'm going to put them on mine as well as onion. And then I'm going to use this LightLife vegan cheddar cheese. Never tried this. I hope it's good. If you guys tried it before and you like it, comment below and let me know. It's made with coconut oil and vitamin. It has vitamin B12. It's 60 calories per slice. It's kosher, vegan, and you have to consume it within 7 days when it's open. Water, coconut oil, food starch, cheddar flavor. Anyway, I hope it's good. So what I'm gonna do is open this up. I'm actually gonna start my onions first. So let me get something for that. Okay. I froze this meat because I didn't cook it when I bought it, and then I unfroze it in the refrigerator, but I don't remember this being this color. I hope it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the stove and let this cook down really good and sweat down, and then we'll come back and do the meat. So stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna make a little small burger out of this one. I don't like the texture of it at all, but anywho, all the smell. I hope it's still some good. Maybe it's not any good. I don't know. This one still looks fine. So. This one feels more like meat, the pure one. So I'm gonna make these two little small patties. I don't know, I'm kind of leery about that one. I don't think that's no good. I'm kind of scared to eat it. But for the actual patty, I'm gonna put these little two to the side. And let me get a bowl. I really hate getting this mess all over my hands. Oh, I hate it. Let me get a rag. I have some steak seasoning, and I'm gonna put that on there. And I'm gonna make a pretty big burger. I don't know if these shrink or not. My pepper, sprinkle of cumin. Just a little sprinkle. And some onion powder. And I'm gonna mix them both in the same little bowl. I think it should be okay. This really feels a lot like regular hamburger. And the patty melt is flat, so we're gonna flatten this out pretty good, especially if it shrinks some. I don't know if it will or not, but just in case it does. All right. Let's throw this nasty meat in here. I don't think I'm gonna like this meat. Clean off my hands a little. Alright, let's try this again with some steak seasoning. onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of cumin. This is more like mush. This is the LightLife, and it has browned. Only been in the refrigerator unthawed for 2 days. Let me stir up my onions, mushrooms, okay? This one might be smaller. Let's see. Keep smelling it because it just, this color is throwing me off and it's making me think it's bad. And I can't remember what color it was when I bought it. If it was pink like this, reddish, or if it had a little brown tone to it. But I'll take a little bite of the small one. If it don't taste good, I'm gonna throw it in the trash. I'm not even gonna eat it. So we have this much left of that one, so you can make one whole burger with that. I think you get more. This is 2 4-pound patties, so 8 ounces, and this is 16 ounces, so it's double the amount. So I would get this because they were actually the same price. So stay tuned. Okay, I've got them on cooking. My onions are still cooking. This is the Farmland. This is the LightLife. Of course, by the color you can tell that. Okay, the Pure Light one, it actually looks like it bleeds like the, what's the other one called? No, it's thick and I must have turned it too fast. But you can see that, so I want to come on and show you that. Can you guys see it? I think my onions and mushrooms are done. And that is stuck. This one don't look like it's turning brown. That one's turning brown. And this one's stuck too, I believe. Now this one didn't. But it's mushy. So we'll let that finish and come back. Okay, this one is turning brown. I think I turned this down too low. Oh, it's not. But this is staying red, and you can still see where red is coming out of it. And I'm going to use white bread and butter in this pan. It's the same pan. I didn't clean it. What I'm going to do is put some butter in this pan. And then just put some bread in it. Let me turn it down. And fix the patty melts in this pan. But I feel like I need to flip these one more time. Because this feels like mush. It really does. I feel like this one is done, but that one, it feels so soft. It just doesn't have a binding. It's not, you know, like meat. It's like when you make a veggie burger and it falls apart. That's what that feels like to me. So we're going to cook that one first. So what we're going to do is take a piece of white bread. Let's move these around. Maybe it ain't hot enough. Should be, but maybe not. Probably should have a bigger bread, but the white bread will do. I don't eat white bread too much. But we're going to put some onions and mushrooms down. We're going to put this down. Oh good, it's going to hang over the bun. We're going to get another piece of cheese. We're going to put 2 on this side. And then we're going to take this, put it on there. We're going to take my dome and cover it up so the cheese will melt, because you have a hard time melting cheese. I'm going to take these 2 small ones off. I think they're already done. We'll just move them to the back. Now see how soft this thing still is. And I don't like this meat at all. I'm gonna pull this up. It's starting to melt. I'm gonna flip it over to that side. Smush it down. Put this back on it again. Probably add a little bit more butter. And it's the earth down. I guess that's done, but sure don't seem like it. See, it's still like falling apart. Yeah, I don't like this one. It's so mushy. Don't like that one at all. It's sliding off this little piece of bread. So it's done. So I'm going to set that one down there on the end. Put a little more butter in here. And I'm going to do the same. Put one piece of cheese on one side and two on the other. This meat is horrible. Comment down below and let me know if any of you guys have tried this when it's LightLife bread. LightLife burgers. I don't like it. Don't like it at all. It may taste good, but it doesn't perform well. Okay. We're gonna take that. Take that. And this is on low. And I had onions and stuff left, so we're gonna use that for another meal. You just put a top on that. Let me get a plate. You still taping? Uh-oh, almost burn it. Turn it down just a tad. Okay, cover it up for just a few minutes. So, I think this is done. This LightLife cheese melts pretty good. Hope it tastes good. Give me a new cheddar cheese. So I haven't found a cheddar that I remotely can eat. Pure Farmland and LightLife. So, time for the taste test. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're gonna cut these in half. Give you guys a look. Just the LightLife. And that is the pure. I already know I like the consistency of the pure brand best. Okay guys, it is time for the taste test. If you like my shirt, go to my Etsy shop. I'm selling these, they say veganish. You can select your colors in a different style, all black, all white, or red and white, whatever. I think I have like 4 different colors and then a couple of different color t-shirts. So if you like them, go check them out. The link to the Etsy shop is below. So let's get ready for the taste test. This is the pure hold it in front of my face, but that's what it looks like in the inside. So let's taste it. Doesn't taste like hamburger, but the flavor isn't bad. I don't know what it tastes like. I do like the flavor. I just don't know what it tastes like. It's really good though. Well, let me drink some water. I got a swig. There's my palate. Let's try this one. Like I said, this one turned brown. The other one stayed kind of red. But this one turns brown and this one actually looks more like meat in the inside. However, it's very, very fragile. I just don't like the smell of it either. I don't like the texture of it. And I don't like the taste of it. No, I don't like that at all. So let's see what it tastes like as a patty melt. So that's what that thing looks like. This is the pure. And that is the LightLife. Don't think I like the LightLife. I don't like that sausage. Don't really like that hot dog, so I don't think I like that food. I tried that bacon. I don't think I like that either. Look at this cheese. I lot of text. Let me taste this cheese. Okay, I like this LightLife cheese. It doesn't taste 100% like cheddar cheese, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. I'm here for the pure burger. So let's try this LightLife one with stuff on it and see if that made it taste better. No. That's a weird taste to it. No. I don't like that. I won't eat that. Maybe it's bad. It's so salty. I mean, it's real salty to me. Oh, something in it. It may not be salt, but I don't like it. So, not a fan. I'm a fan of the pure. Hands down. This one has won for me. Huge fan of this cheddar. LightLife cheddar. Never had their cheese before, I don't believe. So this is my first time trying it. Oh no, I've had that Parmesan cheese. The block that you shred. And I have some now and I'm gonna make a pizza, so yeah. Love this. All right, guys. Thank you all for stopping by my channel again. If you like my veganist shirt, check out my Etsy shop below for a link. And for the holidays, I'll be giving discounts. And if you spend $35 or more, you get free shipping on my Etsy shop. So check it out. It's a cute shirt. This is heat pressed vinyl, so it won't come off. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys love the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Oh, and check up here on the little eye, and you'll be linked to some additional videos. I don't know, it might be on that side, so on one of those sides. And yeah, bye-bye.